Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Cough syrup contains alcohol as a solvent to dissolve other ingredients that are not easily soluble in water, enhancing the syrup's effectiveness. Additionally, alcohol acts as a preservative, extending the shelf life of the product. Some formulations use it for its mild sedative properties, helping to soothe cough-related discomfort. However, there are alcohol-free alternatives available for those who prefer to avoid alcohol for personal, health, or religious reasons.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.